Alright. Nice landing. Nice. So Lauren, there's a East Coast Tactical. We're gonna shoot for that. East Coast Tactical. You have to jump over my head and then try and spin it sideways a little so it's cool. No, you're not. I got faith in you. I'm watching where it's going. You're not gonna hit me. Get a couple practice runs in before I... Holy crap! Whoa, and you landed it! That If I got that, that's pretty cool. We're gonna stop and then start again. Oh, that was tough. This is pure asphalt here. Body crush. It's okay, we'll get more. Give her another good launch and we'll... Oh, that was awesome. And we broke the shot. Oh, it's not broke. It broke the screw, but that's not a big deal. Yep, I'll be able to fix that. I'll be able to fix that so we can do a double header today.